Adrian Chislovic efo'r croesiad. Fil yn trio clirio. Yr ergyd yn y pen draw ar y targed gan Danny Davies. Astles. Camu mlaen. Trio. Holli'r amddiffyn. Bale di ddod at Clark. Clark o bell. Mike Lewis yn gwneud yn dda i gael i Bawen ati. Astles. Fwy'n o'n gyrchol tro yma. Jordan Williams yn brwydro fo Callum Seintiau. Williams! A'i ergyd o ar y targed. Mike Lewis allan yn sydyn. Davies yn camu ymlaen tro yma. Ben Clark yn gwneud yn dda i greu lle iddo fo hun. Adam Rosgro! Ac ar ôl 9 munud yr ail hanner o'r diwedd, mae'r gol wedi dŵad. Adam Rosgro sy'n dechrau gêm i'r Seintiau Newydd am y tro cynta mewn dros 2 flynedd yn canfod yr hwyd tro yma. McDonald ddim yn sylweddoli bod Jordan Williams tu ôl iddo fo. A Mike Lewis unwaith eto i'r adwy. Williams, Bas Letraus, canfod Chislovic, a Danny Davies, Leo Smith rwan. Yr ergyd gan Daniels yn cael ei harbed, a rywsut yn cael ei chlirio di ar y llinell. Chislovic, bron a chyrraedd yr ail gyfla. Chislovic, gan o Ben Clark. Clark yn trio cael y bel yn ôl ato fo. Cholli am eiliad, Clark yn ennill y bel yn ôl. Chislovic, heibio'r postyn. Cyfla gwirioneddol i gapten y Seintiau Newydd. Chislovic, gyda'n tyleo flaen o. Ystyried ergydio, ymdrechio bell! A'r bel yn ôl oddi ar y trawst. Arbediad oddi gan Mike Lewis yn taro'r bel yn erbyn ffram y gol. Holden yn troi. Ac yn canfod Jordan Williams! Ac efo 10 munud i fynd. Mae'n ddwy. Jordan Williams yn llwyddo i guro Mike Lewis tro yma. Cyfle prin i'r ymwelwyr. Roy Cwrt Cosby, y Seintiau Newydd o dan warchau. Fil efo'r gic. A Penny McDonald oddi ar y bar a mae mewn. Ollie Hulbert yn gorfodi'r bel dros y llinell. Ac efo 5 munud i fynd, llygedyn obaith i'r ymwelwyr. Yn ddofn i mewn i'r amser am anaddiadau yn neuadd y parc. Os na ddiweddglo dramatic. Y tafliad yn cael ei ffenio ymlaen, ys McLagan! A mae'n 2-1! Reit ar y diwedd! Yn hollol annisgwyl, mae'r Barri wedi dod yn gyfartal. Gweitha holl feddiant a diriogaeth y tîm cartra. Mae'n 2-1. Tafliad Michael George yn cael ei ffenio ymlaen ddwywaith ac yn disgyn wrth draed Kane McLagan.
Kane, back in the Cymru Premier and back with a bang.
Yeah, it's a good result. Last week wasn't so good, but today was a good result. But it's only a point. It was only a point last week, and we probably should have got more from the first game. So 2 points is probably not enough, really. Yes, we got a good result, but we need more. We need wins. So hopefully that can kick us on to our next couple of games and get some wins on the board.
Oh, very frustrating, very frustrating. You know, I think it's an understatement. You know, right now emotions are pretty high. You know, we just finished the game. You know, Barri defended reasonably well for long periods of time, and then we give really 2 poor, set play goals away. Second phase of set plays, and it's not good enough. From our point of view, standards that we set and the standards that we hold ourselves to, it's far short of it.
Really tough game. They're a fantastic team, and we came, we got bodies behind the ball. Obviously got into half time 0-0, so you think it's working, and all of a sudden the quality showed. You're 2 down, and you're thinking it's going to be really difficult to get anything from the game. And to be fair to the boys, they showed incredible spirit and fortitude, and we got a point.
From a personal point of view, top scorer in the Cymru South last season, obviously. You've got that goal in the League Cup a few weeks ago, but it's always good to get off the mark quickly in the league as well.
Yeah, well obviously I got suspended, so I got sent off in the first game, unfortunately, so missed last week, so it's the second game first full game, but second game that I played, and yeah, it's always good to get off the mark. Hopefully I can score some goals to help this team again, and a little bit older now, but hopefully a little bit wiser, and can get a few more goals to keep us in the league first and foremost, and hopefully take us up the table.
Today we've had that many opportunities and gotten some great positions that you know we should be finishing that game off. You know, it shouldn't be giving them the opportunity, you know, to get back in the game. You know, in a 2-0 we just took our foot off the pedal a little bit, give a really sloppy free kick away, and then give a really sloppy goal away so quickly, and obviously one in it, you know, you've got a fighting chance, and obviously it showed at the end there that we couldn't defend the long throw very well, and you know, second phase of that, and someone switched off, and you know, and then it's equalised, and I think what's in 90, whatever it is, 93rd, 94th minute, you know, and it's obviously going to be a sucker punch, and it's all disappointing, you know, but it's just a little bit disappointing. I think today we weren't. We didn't kill them off in the opposition box, and we've defended 2 set plays really poorly.
To come here and get a point, because there will be teams that come here and concede 4 and 5. That's the reality, and he's already seen that, I suppose, with Gapcon is key. So you know, we've got to take so much confidence from that as a group, and enjoy it. But it's gone now, and we've got to focus on Tuesday. So obviously we've got the bank holiday and the game on Tuesday. No point coming here and getting a point here if we don't follow it up on Tuesday. And again, it's going to be another really, really tough game.